Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today this is our trilogy, our third restaurant with Peter. Shout out to Peter from Buckhorn, the owner of Buckhorn, Playa, and Bungalow, which is the restaurant we're at today. Also, shout out to Alex at Verkada, my boy. Thanks for hooking it up, being the matchmaker on this. We're going to take you through a third restaurant that we have going. So let's go ahead and take you through this video. Mill Valley, so this restaurant, Bungalow, which we'll put the link to the description to all the restaurants in this video, but this Bungalow is right around the corner from Playa, which is the restaurant we did a couple videos back, which we'll put a link to the description here for that one as well, so you can check that guy out if you didn't see it. There you go, Bungalow 44. This is their current outdoor dining that they have going on, that they set up during COVID times, obviously. Okay. Really nice.
Thinking maybe one in that corner there.
That was Peter, the owner. What's up, Peter? Got Brian over here.
So there's two bathrooms between us and the office, and the bathrooms are hard lit. So I'm hoping
we go through that.
Whatever path that goes around, it looks like it's snaking out. I'm hoping we can just follow it.
Yeah.
Side note, into the future here, that path didn't work. We couldn't follow it. We had to go outside with conduit, running around, which ended up delaying us on our install, and we had to go back actually this Friday to finish it. But it was a long cable run outside and some EMT conduit.
Sorry.
That was my fucking funny bone.
Oh, that's the worst.
Tingling.
This location had cameras before, but they're all analog, so we had to pull all new wires. So we're pulling out the old stuff, pulling in the new stuff, putting in the new switch. So yeah, just to get the wires all through this place, we have a combination of some wires being hidden, some in wire mold, some in conduit, right? Just to make this thing look aesthetically pleasing, right? The restaurant's really nice. We want to make sure that our install looks clean. Even in rooms that you probably don't even need the wire molding, we still put it on there anyways just to make it look clean. Kitchen view, got your Mount 3, CD42 indoor. Look at that little strip of wire molding just to make that extra little touch on there. Ceiling mounted cameras, a couple wall mounted cameras. So that's it. So Peter, he you know, he's investing a lot of time and money into his new systems around all of his restaurants. Now you can watch all of his restaurants, all of his kitchens, everywhere on one dashboard, and it's been saving him a ton of time, and he has a huge peace of mind. So thank you, Peter, for hiring us. Thank you, Alex, for being the matchmaker on this one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.